Okay, I'm back, guys. Thank you for your patience. I've been MIA. I was in Vegas at one point doing some business, and then this last weekend I had to go again. Man, I've been in the plane more than you can humanly imagine or possibly imagine. Anyway, let's get after it. Monday, kicking off the week here, March 5th. 2018, and the markets go bullish. The Dow up over 330 some points. Here we are checking it out. So look at this. We're up over 1%, 1%, 1%. Looking good, guys. Financials up 1.4%. Really good. Crude oil up nearly 2%. Gold down, silver down. VIX lower by 4%. Bitcoin up 1.4%. GBTC up 3.4%. Let's take a look here at the markets. This is the Spider Daily Chart. Big symmetrical triangle, have a buy on as of Friday, and we do go higher today. One of our users, Matt, if you're watching this, call out to you. You and I had a chat on Friday while I was at the airport, and you said that you were looking and you did buy the Spider. And I said, I am with you on that. And sure enough, we had a nice rally today. What I foresee is upside resistance, but here's what's going on. We did not come down and hit this support line down here. Because of that, it's relative strength. We're heading higher. We have a pretty good chance of blowing through this. If so, look for much higher highs. Look for record highs happening in the near future. Diamonds. Down, 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 down. We didn't hit support, but today we put a buy on it on Monday. Friday, we had a buy on the NASDAQ going higher. Relative strength here, guys. This could blast through. Be watching. The rest of the week could get really bullish. Russell's is at resistance. So Friday, we got a buy, but today, look at this. We're right at resistance. If the Russell's breaks out, then look for the rest of the markets the following days to break out. That is a key. But if the Russell's hits its head and starts to drop on Tuesday, if that happens, then the rest of the market should start to drop too. The markets won't be ready to break out yet. Financials had a buy on Friday. We did pop today. Look for upside potential there. US dollar. I have a buy on way back here. We're still going higher. Wow, this is a very interesting pattern. I mean, we're bullish heading up, but the problem is it looks like we're stalling. This one's interesting. This pattern I'm looking at right now on the US dollar is a very unique pattern. Very unique. Okay, let's go to crude oil. Crude oil, nice symmetrical triangle. Got a buy on it. We're going higher. We got resistance up above. Gold had a buy on it. What was that? Monday, Thursday. Boom. But I mean, people are selling into that strength. Let's see what's happening on silver. We had a buy Thursday, but selling into that strength. But I still think this is a low right there. I think that low is going to hold. VIX, I have a sell on it as of Friday. We're heading down. VIX is heading lower. Bitcoin is right at major resistance, big trend line resistance, and this area of resistance. Look for people to start selling into that. But if it breaks out, that's a big time buy for Bitcoin. GBTC. I had a decent day today. Have a buy on it. It's chopping around here. That's just where we're at. BTC. Or GBTC. Okay, there it is. A very fast one today. We'll do more as it comes. Thank you so much. And if we have a mentorship coming up, oh boy, in 10, 12 days or so, if you're interested in joining us, right there, that text or that number, send a text, but we need two things: your name and email, and we will send you information or get you information on our upcoming 3-day training on how to trade like a superstar. A lot of money out here in the markets, guys. You want to be a part of this run. So there it is. I will be in Florida starting next week, but I picked out a day to do a meet and greet with any users that want to come and hang out with me for some coffee on a morning. And go to groktrade.com and it will be a sign-up form there. It's just hanging out and having some coffee. And I'd love to have a chance to meet everybody. So there you have it. Take care. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.